Happy Wednesday, everybody! Okay, so we are just going to show. I'm going to do a video on that switch in a second, but I just wanted to show you these. Okay, so we have got. Well, let me just come down here, hide the serial number because it's Meraki. So we've got here an MS390 48UX-HW, and we've also got some uplink modules as well. Do you know what? I'm going to open one up. As soon as we get an order for one, I'm going to open one up and have a look. So this is customer-owned equipment. So we are selling this equipment on behalf of somebody else. This equipment does not belong to us until it's we've taken an order for it and the customer's approved the price. Anyway, I'll just sort of throw that in there. So today we are looking at the 5596 UP. What have we got? So it's called a 50. So it's a 5500 switch, 96 port capability, 4 fans, 2 power supplies. You can have those in different airflow, and as you see, it's been beautifully refurbished. That looks absolutely perfect. These have actually, yes, they've gone end of support now. So how does it work? So it's a 48 port switch really with 3 uplink slots, and you can populate these slots with various different modules. Let's have a quick look. So we know that we can put a 16 port expansion module in there to get you 3 of those, get you 48 and take you up to 96. So you've got the common one is 10G Ethernet, and it's also fiber channel over Ethernet capable. You can have there's a slightly different one which supports 1, 2, 4, and 8 gig fiber channel. Then they also do an 8-port 10G. And an 8-port fiber channel, so you can have half and half. And they also support a 4-port QSFP module. This one's a bundle. Now it's got storage license on there, so I'm pretty sure that when it gets to site, the customer's going to put fiber channel modules in there. So that's got a 48-port fiber channel license. You can have it with a 96 port channel fiber channel license, and you can have enterprise feature on there. Oh, I forgot to say as well, you can have layer 2 and layer 3 modules in there as well. Obviously you'd have to sacrifice one of those slots, and this particular bundle comes included with SFPs. And as you can see, we've got a little heat sealing machine here. So these don't go walkies, but they're easy to scan with a barcode. There you go. So there's 48 of those in that bundle, and when it gets boxed up, it will look like that. Look, see? Look at that. Anyway, I was going to do one about this. I won't do one just yet. That's an old Hewlett-Packard switch, but you can see we refurbished that as well. We refurbish anything that moves. Got to go. See you on the next one. Bye.